Hey guys, it's Vonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about styles of homeschool schedules. Today we're going to be talking all about homeschool schedules. So you've decided to homeschool, or you already are homeschooling, and maybe you want to change things up a bit in regards to your yearly schedule. So there are a couple of different ideas that I have for you. They're not my own ideas, but they are a couple of ideas I'm going to share with you on how a lot of people schedule their homeschool years. Now, number one, a lot of people like to follow the school calendar. So they might follow this calendar of the public school system. That way their kids have off the same time and the same holiday as their cousins and their neighborhood friends and their church friends will have off. They'll have the same summer break, winter break, spring break as public school kids. The second type of homeschooling is Sabbath schooling, where you will have 6 weeks on of homeschooling and 1 week off. So you homeschool for 6 weeks and then you have off for a week. Homeschool for 6 weeks, then you have off for a week. Another type of homeschooling schedule is year-round homeschooling. With this schedule, you homeschool year-round. Just as for year-round homeschooling, you don't take off for summer breaks. You continue to homeschool right through the summer. Some people do the regular curriculum through the summer, and some people do a lighter schooling in the summer. Personally, I do year-round homeschooling, which means that we don't take 3 months off for summer break, but we take off as needed throughout the entire year. So this is how a year-round homeschool schedule looks in my home for this year. So every year for us is different. And for this year, I took off November and December for different reasons. One reason was we had some family things we had to sort out with my mother's health and stuff like that. If you follow my other videos, you can look more into those things. But we took off November, December for some hardship times that we needed to take off for. And during that time, we also spent some time outdoors and doing Christmassy things around December. We were able to enjoy the holidays more because we didn't have to focus on school. So in the summertime, what we usually do is we'll take off a week for summer camps, and then a week we'll take off or do half-day homeschooling, and we'll do fun activities with friends because there's so many things to do in the summer with free movies or free bowling. So we do take like a week off or a half-day off during that week to enjoy those things with our friends. So during year-round homeschooling, you create your own schedule. You take off when you want, you homeschool when you want, but you don't have to worry about having off for 3 months. You just school year-round. Another way to homeschool is something that we used to do, which is 4 days of homeschooling and 1 day off. So you homeschool for 4 days of the week and then 1 day you take off. We used to do this because we have co-op on Tuesdays, and so we would homeschool full days, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then on co-op Tuesdays we wouldn't do anything. 3 months on, 1 month off is another way you could homeschool. You could homeschool straight for 3 months and then take a 1 month break. I've also done this style of homeschooling. So I like them all. I think they all are wonderful. I think you can mix and match them. You can do whatever works for your family, really, and find the schedule that best suits your lifestyle. And so those are the top ways that I have for you to plan your year out for homeschooling. So if for you guys who are a little bit more structured and you need like a plan, I hope one of these ideas suits your needs. And if you're more like me where you can't really settle to a plan, just school when you want to school and take off when you want to take off. That's the beauty of homeschooling, is that you have the freedom to do things your way. And depending on your state's requirements, that gives you more or less flexibility in your life. So if you have any other questions or anything you like, any topics you would like for me to speak about, any questions you have, any videos you'd like for me to make, please make sure to leave a comment below so that I can get around to doing my research for you and getting to that topic for you. Okay, so thanks for watching. Talk to you later.